Hello students. This is RAJNI Aggarwal. I am here again with a new chapter. Its name is Square and Square Root. Today we will learn about the square, what is square, how we can find out the squares. We will learn some tips and tricks for finding the square. Then we will talk about the square roots with new tips and tricks. Okay, we will find first we will find what is square. Okay, square is a number multiplying twice. Means if we need to find the square of 2, what does it mean? It means that we are multiplying the number 2 times, okay, which will give me 4. So it implies that square of 2 is equal to 4, right? Now let us take one more example. For example, you have to find 5 square. Okay, 5 square means 5 times 5, मतलब 5 को हम 2 बार multiply करेंगे, which will give us 25. So means of 5 square is equal to 25. Now let us take 12 square. So 12 square is equal to 12 times 12, which will give us 144. So we can say that 12 square is equal to 144. Right? Now, it is clear from this definition that the square means multiplying the same number. So, multiplying the same number 2 times, right? So, we will get square. Now, let us talk about some tips and tricks to find the square. We will find the square of 25. Square of 25 means 25 times 25 will give us 625. We will learn the tip in between the video tips and tricks to find this square. पहले हम क्या करेंगे, आपको 2 डिजिट नंबर स्क्वायर सिखाती हूँ. सबसे पहले आपका काम क्या है, आपको 1 स्क्वायर, 2 स्क्वायर, 3 स्क्वायर, देन फिर 4 स्क्वायर, 5 स्क्वायर, 6 स्क्वायर, 7 स्क्वायर, 8 स्क्वायर, 9 स्क्वायर, ये सबके स्क्वायर आपको लर्न होने चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 स्क्वायर क्या होगा, 1 होगा, 2 स्क्वायर 4 होगा, 3 स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू 9, 4 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4 स्क्वायर, 5 square will be equal to 25. 6 times 6 is 36. We should have learned these values. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64 and 9 square is 81, right? So just be patient. You will surely learn finding the squares with tips and tricks. But first you should remember all these 7 square up to 9 square, right? Now let us find the square of 2 digit numbers. आपको एक ट्रिक बताते हैं कि आप 2 डिजिट स्क्वायर नंबर इजीली कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं विदाउट डूइंग एनी मिस्टेक, बहुत ही इजी वे में. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू आर टू फाइंड 32 square. It will be a little bit difficult for you, but after learning this trick you will find it very easy way. How you will do, you will just write 2 square, that is equal to 0.5. Just keep in mind that you have to write the square in 2 places. Okay, now square of this is 3 square is 0.9. Now what you will do, you will multiply this 3 times 2 times 2 means 3 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड देन फिर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, which will give me 12. अब आपको क्या करना है, ये एक स्पेस छोड़ के यहां से आपको इसके नीचे लिख देना है 4 2 0 1. दिस इज योर स्क्वायर. 32 square is equal to 1024. Just be patient. We are having one more example, so that will be clear to you. Now let us take one more example. For example, you have to find 46 square. What you are doing, 6 square is 36. 2 places पे लिखना है, 2 digits हैं already, so we don't need to add 0 here. 4 square is 16. Now just multiply 4 times 6 times 2. 4 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड देन फिर हम ये 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, तो 4 6 24, 2 48. Okay, so just write, leave this place, 48 will be below this. 6 8 plus 3 11, 1 carry, and 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 was our carry 11, and 2 2116 will be equal to 46 square. I think now the trick is clear to you. Let us just try it with more examples. कैसे करेंगे, wait, let us find the square of 87. Yes, this is too much easy by using this trick. Okay, how you will do, 7 square. Now I am writing it more quickly. 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 8 7 are 56, 56 times 2 is 112, right? We will leave this place. We will not write. It will be our unit place, okay? 9, 4 plus 2 is 6, 5 and 7. So 87 square is 7569. Yeah, this is very easy. Now just try some examples. Your homework. One, you have to find 98 square. Next, try to find it 42 square. Now try to find 35 square. Okay, just try it. Just pause the video and give it a shot. I am writing the answers here. 9 8 स्क्वायर. यकीन मानिए आप बिना कॉपी पेन के भी इस ट्रिक को यूज करके कर सकते हैं. मैं यहाँ पर स्ट्रेट कर सकती स्ट्रेट आंसर लिखने के एबल हूँ. ओके, 9604 will be equal to 98 square. 42 square will be equal to 1764. यकीन मानिए मैंने कोई याद नहीं करे, ये मैं बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट आपके सामने उतने ही टाइम में कर पा रही हूँ. 35 square is 1225. This is your answer. Okay, just match your answers. Now I am telling you one more trick which is used to find the squares, which is given in the class 8 NCERT. वहां से भी आप फॉलो कर सकते हैं. तो देखिए, अगर आपको 43 स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करना है, फर्स्ट you will write it as 40 plus 3, right? Square. Now 40 plus 3 square can be written as 40 plus 3. This is the long method to finding the square as per NCERT syllabus of class 8. Now you will multiply 40 times 40 plus 3 plus 3 times distributive property we have applied here. Okay, now 40 times 40 plus 40 times 3, but 3 times 40 plus 3 times 3. We have opened up the brackets. Now we will solve this. 40 times 40 will give you 1600 plus 40 times 3 give you 120 plus 3 times 40 will be same 120 plus 3 times 3 is 9. Now your answer is 9, 4, 8 and 1. 1849 will be your answer. Okay, now this was your long method as per NCERT class number 8, but you don't need to do it. Let us try with the trick we have used earlier. Same question we are doing. 3 3s are 0 9, 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 12 plus 4 3s are 12 times 2, that is equal to 24. देखिए कितना इजीली हमारा वही आंसर सेम वे में आ गया है. मैच योर आंसर. बिल्कुल इजी ट्रिक में हमने ये सीखा है. इतना लंबा प्रोसेस करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. This is a conventional method. Okay, now I am telling you one more trick which is very easy to find the squares. This trick can be used to find the square of any 2-digit number. Now we are learning to find the square of a number which ends with 5, right? Like 25 square. First example. Second example, we will have answer for 35 square. In the next example, we will solve for 85 square, which is very easy. In the next example, we will find the square for 65. All the questions ends with 5. Just note it down. All the questions ends with 5. So we are doing a trick in which we have to find the square of numbers ending with 5. Like 5 square, you know that 5 times 5 is 25. Now what is the next number? 2 2 का next number है 3. 3 times 2 you have to multiply, that will give you 6. This is your answer. 625. हमने क्या किया है? 2 का next number जो भी है उसको multiply कर दीजिए 2 से. Here again 5 square is 25. Okay, now 3 का next number क्या है? 4. 4 and 3, 4 3s are 12. Simple. Now 85 square, 5 square is 25. 8 times 9, 9 8s are 72, right? 7225. Now 5 square is 25 and 6 times what? 7. 6 times 7 is 422. I think the trick is very clear to you. Now you can try some questions for these using this trick also. Okay, just find out for 95 square. Next question is for 55 square. Just try it with your try these questions with me. $45 square. Okay, I am telling you the answer. Just pause the video and try these questions by yourself and then match your answers with that of mine. 95 square will be equal to 9025. 55 square is equal to 3025. and 45 square will be equal to 2025, right? I hope all of your answers are correct. Now let us check what we have learned. We have learned the trick to find the square of these numbers. Like 25 square, now we can find it very easy way. 43 square we also have done. 89 square, let us try it. 89 square, so 9 square is 81, 8 square is 64, 8 times 2 is 16, times 9 is 144. 1, I didn't have written here because it will be our unit place. 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 carry, 9 and 7, 7, 9 to 1 will be equal to 89 square, right? 97 square, we can do it very easily. That is equal to 9409. Okay, 105 will give you 11025. How? 10 times next number is 11. 11 times are 110 and same 25. Now we have learned all the questions. We are able to solve all these questions. So I'm writing the answers here. You also are able to solve these questions right now. Okay. Now, what is next in the video? Next, we are going to learn the tips and tricks for square root. Okay. Now, first the question is, what is a square root? What is the meaning of square root? Square root का meaning होता है किसी भी number को, for example, square of 5 is 25, then square root of 25 will be 5. The square root is the number which tells you whose square is this number. Okay. Now square root of 16 is equal to 4. Opposite हो जाता है इसमें. Square root of 81 is equal to 9. How? We know that 9 square is equal to 81. So that's why if we cut this square, we will apply root here. Okay. Here we know that 4 square is equal to 16. That is why square root of 16 is equal to 4. I think you are understood now. Now we will learn the traditional method to find the square root by using factorization trick, factorization method. Okay, let us now learn the square roots. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel. Okay, let us find the square root of 1225 by traditional method. Factorization method में हम क्या करते हैं, हम factors निकाल देते हैं इनके. First we will write 1225 as it is. Now check it by which number we can divide it. This number is divisible by 5 only. 5 2s are 10, right? 2 2 22, 5 4s are 20, 2 5 25, 5 5s are 25, right? Again we are doing dividing it by 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are 45. Now 49 can be divided by 7 and 7 times 1 is 7. Now 1225 can be written as 5 times 5 times 7 times 7, right? Now we are just making the pairs. 5 times 5, square root of 1225 will be written as, for one pair we have to write one digit. For one pair we have to write one number. 7 times 5 is 35. So we can say that 35 square is equal to 1225, and vice versa we can say that square root of 1225 is equal to 35. Is that clear now? Don't worry, we are going to take some more examples to make it very clear. But if you like the video, just don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, let us take one more example, which is 2401. इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है. हम क्या करेंगे? By using factorization method, we will write 2401, which is divisible by 7. 7 3s are 21. Okay, 3 0 30, 7 4s are 28, 2 1 21, 7 3s are 21. Now again it is the divisible by 7. Again it is divisible by 7, and again it is divisible by 7. Now we can write as 2401 can be written as 4 times 7. Now what is our process to make the pairs? Just make one pair, two pair. Okay, I'm telling you the tips and tricks along with this. Now just write one number फॉर टू, मतलब पेयर के लिए हम एक बार लिखेंगे, 7 हम एक पेयर के लिए एक बार लिखा, और सेकंड पेयर के लिए हम दोबारा लिख देंगे, एंड इट विल बी इक्वल टू 49, मींस 2401, square root of 2401 is equal to 49. It also means that 49 square is equal to 2401. Okay. Now, one tip for you is, if there may be 5 sevens, अगर यहाँ पर 5 एक और 7 होता, then जो नंबर जिसके हमने फैक्टर किए हैं, that is not a perfect square number. That is not a perfect square number. We cannot find the proper square root. Okay. The square root will be in decimals, or along with that we will write root of 7. Okay, we will not be able to find the proper square root. Okay, now let us just find more examples. Two, 5, 6. Your question is, you have to find the root of 2, 5, 6. How you will do? Same way you are to make the factor 2, 5, 6, which is divisible by 2, 2, 8. Now 2, 6, 4. Now 2, 3, 2. Again 2 से divisible है, 1, 6. Again, oh, 2 times 8, right? 2 times 4. Oh, this is too much lengthy, but it is not difficult. It is very easy to do the process. Okay. Okay. Now just make the pairs. 256. I'm writing here. 256 can be written as, पेयरिंग हम यहाँ पर कर देते हैं, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Okay, we are getting 1 for each pair, 1, 2 for each pair. So square root of 256, 4 times 2, 2, 4, 4 ja 16. So square root of 256 is 16. That means 16 का square है 256. Is that clear? I hope it is very clear to you. Now you can try every question we have taken as example in this. I'm sharing you the screen. Now you can find out 256. We have done 1225, 2304. Okay. Let us take one more example with 2304. Square root. Okay. Square root of 2304. We can divide it by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 2 ja. 2, 5, 7, 1. No, sorry, 6. Again, it is divisible by 2. 2 2 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 8 ja. Now again, 144. Now again, 2 7 ja, 14. Now again, it is divisible. 3 6. Again, 2 1 and 8. 2 9. Now we cannot divide it by 3. Sorry, 2. We will divide it by 3. Oh, here we are getting 1. The process is AND 8. Now just make pairs. 1 pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair, and fifth pair. Now we are writing one number 2, 2, 2, 2, and 3. Now to find the square root of 2304 is equal to 2, 2, 2, 2. 4 times 2. We already have make pairs, so just count them. 3. Okay, 2 2 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16 times 3 is 48. This will be the square root of 2304. So 48 square is equal to 2304. तो हम additional information भी साथ लेकर चल रहे हैं. Okay, now if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that others can also get benefits from it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. We already have done all these things. You can try these as your homework and comment your answers. I'll reply all the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.